How to mute someone on WhatsApp. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, launch your WhatsApp application and then tap and hold the person's chat that you want to mute. And after that, you will see the option of this notification bell icon which is crossed. Simply tap on it and then select for how long you want to mute their notification, confirm, and that's how you do it. So the process is very simple. Muting means you will not get any notification even when they send you message. They will still be able to send you message, but you will not know when they sent it. So you will have to go to their chat in order to find out if they have sent you any message. So that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.